Hello, Jane and Reviews here, and today I would like to review this G4Free Backpack. So this is a mini 10L. Mine is color gray, as you can see, and it's very spacious. It has here one pocket, as you can see, and then here it has the main pocket that you can easily pack for 1 or 2 days. This is also water resistant, and this is how it looks in the bag. You can just put it through both arms and hold it on your shoulders, and this is how it looks. It is very lightweight. I like it, and also you have your hands free for a day of hiking. What I also like is you can hold here a bottle of water. So let's say that I'm gonna put this one. This is very stretchy, and you can put here your bottle of water. And to put away, I like it because you can hold your backpack and fit it here in this little pouch. Here are some instructions as how you put it flat. First of all, you start by getting this out because it's inside out. And after you do that, you want to put it like this and just fold it. And then you can fit it in the pouch. And after folding it on the bag and rolling it, I just put it in here. This is how it looks. Just a small square that you can fit easily in your closet, car, drawer. So if you're looking for a hiking backpack that is light, that is small, and that does a great job with water resistant and fitting plenty for your hiking trip, I would definitely check this out. This is even great if you're going to explore, if you're going to be somewhere walking around and you need the space in the backpack and also need the free hands. This is awesome. I love the color. I hope you check it out. They have different colors, and thank you for watching my video.